Hello student, welcome you all to the fresh topic of pie diagram chapter statistics class 10. So this will be part of practice set 6.6. Last set we have completed polygon. Now this will be for pie diagram. So in this session we will cover what is the use of pie diagram and practice set 6.6. Okay, we'll try to cover the questions. If not possible, we'll try to cover the remaining question in the next video, just to not to make the video too lengthy. Okay, so let's see how pi look like. So pi as in circle, right? So in a circular form you will have the data. For example, if you see this particular diagram here, so here this diagram is of annual financial planning of any school. Okay, this says that 35% part of game, the sanitation 10%, environment 10, and 45 educational equipment. This is the financial planning of the school. So the moment you look into this diagram, you will understand where is the major contribution. Okay, you don't need to get the exact data. That's the main purpose. So see here this diagram. So this says that the if we are playing games, right, where is the major contribution, which games contribute a lot? 37% cricket, 25% hockey, and remaining as it is. So the moment we don't have the exact figure how many we are going to play cricket or hockey, but looking into the diagram we can understand, okay, 37% is the major population is a part of cricket. So that's the main purpose of the pie diagram. Okay, so if you see this pie diagram, how we draw the pie diagram, because you know total angle of the circle is 360, right? So we have to get the angle to draw this, so that we have to segregate everything in a sector wise. So like this in this particular pie diagram, construction 72 degree, this is degree, right? So total we have 360 degrees. Out of the 72 degree goes to construction, hotel, and all those stuff. So how we can measure the angle? Angle can be measured number of score in the component and total number of scores. So for example, like total we have 100. Out of that 100, 20 belongs to construction. So 20 divided by 100 into 360. Why 360? Because circle is divided into total angle of circle is 360. So this way you can calculate the angle of this particular sector, and then you can draw using proper tools. Okay, you have to just remember this particular formula. That's not even a formula, it's logical concepts. Okay, the moment move forward, right? So you'll understand the process how this pie diagram you can draw. First, to draw a pie diagram, whole circle is divided into sectors proportional to component. What do you mean by sectors? For example, here in this diagram, so how many things are given, right? You have to divide in the sector. So how many sectors are there? You have to divide first. Then you have to find the angle. Without angle, you cannot draw a pie. For example, we have a pizza, right? So pizza will be divided in some part, right? So everyone will get one piece of pizza. But before dividing pizza, right, you have to find the angle. What is the angle of that particular sector? So for example, this will be sector, you know. So this is, if it is a circle, right, this particular region is called sector, right? Similarly, the moment you find the angle, then you can plot the pie diagram. Okay, fair enough. Any doubts? So now see example. We'll work out with the help of example. Once you understand the example, then we can proceed with the actual question. So example is important in this case. If you see this diagram, right, it consists of factories 144 degree and houses 84 degree, and these are the degrees out of 360. So 360 divided to degrees. How we got the degree? For example, places is given, frequency is given, total frequency you have to add, and then you have to find the angles. How? Same thing, component divided by total 60 into 360. So 144, we got the angle. This practice you have to do. Okay, once you're done, then you can draw the pie. We'll understand with the help of practice set 6.6. The moment you will solve question, every doubt will be clear. Let's see this question. It says the age group and number of person who donated blood in blood donation camp in a given below, right? So age group is given. So 20 to 25, 30, 35 is the group is given, right? Perfect. Here you don't have to worry about the class mark. You don't have to worry about the continuation and everything. Just you can check this. Okay. Now number of person 80, immediately write here 80, 60, 35 and 25. Find the total sum. So after adding all, it is coming 200. Okay. So total frequency is 200. We can write here. Now we have to calculate angle. To calculate angle, what is the formula? Component of that particular. So let's see angle in this case 80 divided by 200 into 360. So you'll get angle. Let's do that. So we can cancel 10 here, 10 here, 2, 18. 18 into 8 is equal to 144 degree. So 144 degree we got in this age group. Similarly, we have to calculate for all other. Let's do that quickly. 60 divided by 200 into 360. How much? Quickly. Okay. So I have calculated for all others too. So 144, 108, 63 and 45. These are the angles, right? Okay. So if you sum up, you'll get 360 only. Now, how to draw the pie? Let's do that. First, we have to draw one circle, which is important. Without circle, we cannot proceed. Okay. So let's draw one circle. So I have drawn one circle. What is the next case now? We have to find angle 144. How to get the angles? You can use protractor, right? You will have protractor with you. So just place your protractor at the center point and find the angle which is equal to total 144. So you have to count. So for example, here this side 0, so coming 100, 144 here. So it will be, so somewhere, yeah, just add this 1 point and then draw the line. Okay, just join the from center to the here. Now we have done with angle 144. So other angles are 108, 63 and 45. Let's plot those as well. Similarly, now we have to place protractor at this place, but we have to draw angle in this side, right? So we have to place protractor like one. This is done. Then you have to find angle 108 counting from this side. Okay. So 108, where it will fall? So somewhere 100, close to 110, 108. So done with 108 as well. So similarly, we have to get other angles. Quickly do that. Okay, pause the video. Now you have to place the protractor here at this place and then measure angle 63. It will be easy once you do this on paper. Let's measure 63. Quickly do that for remaining angles. Let's pause the video. Here you go. Your pie chart is ready. This is 144, 108, 63 and 45. Right? These are the angles. So these you have to do it, and this is what we have done. Now we can put the age group also if you want. This is nothing but 20 to 25, and next one will be 25 to 30. This way you can draw the pie diagram. It's easy. Only thing you have to do, you have to find the angle. Once you find the angle, use your protractor, scales and get the pie diagram. It's a simple. Do not have to worry, right? Let's solve one more question. Then your, if any doubts remaining, that will be also clear. See this question. The marks obtained by student in different of subject are as shown in figure, as shown in the diagram. Marks is given and you have to calculate the pie diagram based on the marks. So again, same practice you have to follow. What? You have to write the frequency and then find the total. So 50, 70, 80, 90, 60 and 50. And what is total? 400. Okay, 400 is the total frequency. So now what is the next? You have to find the angle. To get the angle, formula will remain same. What? The factors of this 50 divided by 400 total value into 360 to get the value. Similarly, you have to calculate for all. Pause the video and calculate, then see the solution. Welcome back. So now we got the angles, right? These are the angles for each and every subjects. And these angle we have to plot on the pie diagram. Let's do that quickly. pause the video again and let's check the pie diagram, how I have drawn it. If you have any sort of doubt, please comment me. I'll definitely help you out. Let's do that quickly. Pause the video now. So welcome back. Once you draw the diagram, right, it should look like the similar view. It should not be different. So maybe inches here and there, but it should be similar. Then your answer is correct. So this will be your 45, 63, 72, 81 degree, 54, again 45, right? And this is the way, once you're done, right, these are the subject, nothing else. So this is nothing but English, Marathi, mathematics, no, it's science, maths, social science, and Hindi. Okay, the moment you look the diagram, right, the highest mark you can see in which sector? In 81 maths, second science, like that. At least one is 45 English and Hindi subjects are weak. So this is the way we can draw beautiful pie diagram, and I hope you understood. In next session, we'll cover the remaining question of practice at 6.6 because we don't want to make video lengthy. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and share to your friends as well.